Hi, I'm back with another unboxing. I had started getting the Petit Vour. I'm E. I had started getting the Petit Vour box. Oh, we don't need to be showing you my address, but I had started getting the Petit Vour box, which is a cruelty-free and vegan subscription box for personal care. Makeup, skincare, hair care. And I haven't done, this is my fourth box. And the reason I haven't done any unboxings until now is because I've been very disappointed. The box is supposed to be tailored to a profile that I filled out. And I am 62 years old. I have dry skin. I have dry dehydrated skin, which are not the same things, by the way. Dry is a lack of oil production. Dehydrated is from lack of moisture. Doesn't matter. I have naturally gray hair, although it is lavender. I keep getting the same boxes as the person whose unboxings I love very much and whose channel I like very much, Naturally Beautiful Girl. But she has oily skin. She's in her mid to late 20s. She has brown hair, very beautiful woman. But we are not alike, skin, hair, or makeup preferences. So I opened this box with trepidation. I have to say I did finally get a box that had something that was different, that was for me. So this is the way the box, this is the way the box comes. It's a very nice small box with Petit Vour and Be Bold and Be Kind. And this is the way it is packed. It has a card that comes with it. It's a very cute card this time. The theme, I'm not sure if it had a theme this year, but inside the box, inside the pamphlet, it tells you about Petit Vour and about what what is in the box, and then also about spreading the word. So the cover illustration on this was by Zoe Wodars. I don't know if she pronounces it Zoe or Zoe. She doesn't have any emotes over the E. Anyway, the first thing that was in here is very interesting to me. This is from Uni. I hope you can see that. Oops, over here might be better. It is a shower sheet. Oversized and super soft, this on-the-go wipe cleanses and refreshes every inch of your skin. This is interesting to me because at the moment my husband is pulling our bathroom apart. There's one bathroom, which means, and the back wall where the tub is what's being pulled apart to put in new backboarding and tiling and everything. So this might come in very handy. This has a retail value of $1. They normally come in packs. And while it's not the most environmentally, it's not like just washing, but if you're camping, if you are somewhere that just something happens, your baby throws up on you, just all sorts of things, you've been really, really working up a sweat, and you don't have any time to go and take a shower, maybe this would be what you need. So that's kind of cool. And this is how it comes packed. It's all recyclable paper that was, as you can see, it was paper that was shredded and crimped. So that's kind of cool. I like that. So the next thing in here, and this was the thing that kind of got me excited, because it is a Fior excuse me, organic eyeliner, Pure Minerals organic eyeliner. It's created for sensitive eyes. This we'll leave that in. This antioxidant infused eyeliner is perfect for tight lining or a smoky look. And the reason I was so excited, and you can see it's cruelty-free and vegan. Cruelty-free is really important to me. I'm not vegan, but I don't know that I need too many animal products in my cosmetics, so that's cool with me. It's called Defined Lines. And the reason I'm excited is, I don't know if you can see the color on there. This is brown sugar, and I've seen people get different colors. So I was very excited. I started getting excited about this box because I was like, ooh, stuff for, they paid attention to my profile. So here is the eyeliner. Oh, it's very, very soft and creamy. I don't wear eyeliner very much, but I certainly can't wear black eyeliner. It's too harsh. So, and I do like to tight line. I do like to put it in my waterline. So that's probably where that will be used the most. But that was very nice. But other than that, this is the only thing that was different. And what kind of upset me was, it's a beautiful Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. This, by the way, is a full size. The box is a deluxe sample box, so that you can try out some of these things, because cruelty-free beauty, and these are higher end products quite often, they're not cheap. So you don't want to go out and spend $50 or $60 on something and discover you hate it. And if you're buying online, a lot of times you can't return it. But this is the Pacifica Cherry Matte, there we go, Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. This is a $13 size. Actually, I think this is the full size. This is what they sell on their website. Apply this lightweight primer before makeup for a blurred focus finish with oil control benefits. That's not for me. That's going to get donated because I got no oil. I need oil. The last two things in here are from a company called Goldfaden MD. Goldfaden MD is a skincare company. You can probably tell that from the name. And as I understand it, their products are really expensive. So the first thing that we have is, excuse me, needleless. Needleless. This is $19. This. You see, and actually, it's really just that. I have small hands. That's not much product. A line-smoothing, skin-plumping, non-invasive serum that reduces the appearance of fine line depth. So we'll see. You know, I'll give it a try. But they're like $60, $70, $80 for full size. I'm not sure I'm into that. And the last thing, and this also people with oily skin got, this makes sense for me, but this is the Goldfaden MD Detox Hydrating Gel. This is a $10 sample. I mean, seriously, guys, my hands are small. But let's see. Nice and sealed. Let's see if it does anything for my hand. Don't want to really use it very much there because, you know, this is a $10 gel. I should have done this at the beginning because people always show before and afters, and it's like, well, yeah, because it's still moist, and so it's reflecting off, and anyway, that's what it looks like. So the box is $18 normally. It just started to rain. I know that you can hear probably something because it's hitting my air conditioner, which means my cat has now gone under the bed and you probably won't see her today. But it's a nice it's a nice box. It costs $18 if you buy by the month. And then, you know, like anything, if you buy subscriptions, you get a little bit off. I bought a subscription for, I mean, if you buy a long-term subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, that's what I did. I'm going to try a few more boxes and see if I get any of the things that I said that I would want. They don't, I mean, to me, that's just, this is a donation. That's okay. It's a donation. It'll go with my things for my BoxyCharm that are getting donated. Friends, try to find the light within yourself. And that will make it easier to find the light in others. I hope you have a lovely week or month or however long it is between my videos. Thank you so much. Let's get a nice little beauty shot of everything that I got in my pretty pink box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. There you go. That is everything that was in my box.